parte de matemática. En el día de hoy vamos a hacer algo bien diferente y lo tengo aquí, ¿ok? So, todo el mundo rapidito, vamos a tomar un momento, todo el mundo por mesa, esta mesa, vayan y busquen una computadora, van a hacer extra math rapidito, vaya. Are you raising your hand, sir? Grab one from the top and have a seat. If there's computers on top, just grab one from the top and have a seat. Quickly. All right, so today's objective is still going to be 4.3b, which is what? I can compare fractions with different what? Denominators and numerators, okay? And I can use signs such as less than, equal, or greater than to compare them, right? So el objetivo de hoy sigue siendo 4.3d, voy a comparar fracciones con diferentes denominadores y numeradores, ¿verdad? Numeradores, y vamos a usar los signos de mayor que, igual o menor que. ¿Ok? So, entonces, vamos a poner un timer, y esto es, usted puede practicar de esta manera en su casa, all right? So, yo les voy a dar, usualmente, ¿cuánto tiempo les tarda para hacer extra math? ¿Cuánto? Okay, so I'm going to put a 3-minute timer, so you guys go get your computers. Let's go quickly. You cannot grab 11. No one can grab 11 because it doesn't work, okay? So will there be enough computers for everybody? Francisco, here, just use mine. ¿Queda o no queda? Si queda la 11, no puede agarrar la 11. All right, so if everyone has one, I'm going to reset it, okay? Y voy a poner un 3-minute timer. Is everybody in extra math? I need everyone in extra math. Everyone in extra math. So, si usted está en su casa, usted va a entrar a extra math y va a hacer extra math por este tiempo. All right, when everybody has extra math, give me thumbs up. Log in. I need you to log in completely. Use clever login. Let's go. All right, give me thumbs up if you are in. Esa es la número 11, amigo. Porque la número 11 tiene un sticker que decía que no la cogiera. Let me see. Ok, pues dale, trata de conectar. Come on, let's go. I'm waiting on this gentleman. This is the one that I do with them up here. But I work it out so that in case I'm not here, I put everything every day in the sub tub. In case I have an emergency, then the person that comes will know what to do. Okay. Okay, great. Okay, are we ready? Come on. Extra math. Are we ready? If you are ready, on your mark, get set, go. You have 3 minutes. Let's go quickly. Vamos. Who's my key person in this class? Okay, Omar will be. No, De La Cruz. Go ahead and do your thing. I can't see this. Is that supposed to be shaded? Because I was looking at this and I was like, that makes no sense to me. I would say it was like 2 6 and 4 6, right? Yeah. But look at that. So none of these make sense. But see, that's equals to 3 6.
makes no sense.
She just
No, it doesn't make sense. Does that make sense?
you can make one out of the door.
Hold on.
Call my coworker and ask her, what is she doing? Oh, because I thought I saw one shader and they must have. So yes,
I still don't understand why. So 2, 6, right? 2, 6, and 1, 3, 6. Don't get it.
It would be 4 o'clock.
2, 6.
Maybe they shaded it. That it would be.
1/2. That makes no sense.
Maybe they shaded because it would be 4, 6, and 2, 6.
Could be 2/3.
6 over 12. Bring it down. I feel like I used that far.
I know, I feel like this is too confusing. I feel like this one makes a lot more sense.
Should we just like put pen in it?
Yeah, I don't understand. She thinks A.
Doesn't.
Well, I guess. Yes, you know why? Okay, I get it. So this is 2, 6, right?
Right.
And then if this is 3, 6, then to show that it would have been 2 plus 1, you shaded 1 more part, and then it became 3 over 6. That's all I'm saying.
All right, stop. Everybody stop. Stop. Okay. So we're going to move on to the next thing that we have, all right, which is the math doodle warm-up, okay? So with the math doodle warm-up, all right, hold on, let's get out of here so you can still see my beautiful face. ¿Me pueden ver la cara? Bella y preciosa. Gracias. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the math doodle warm-up. The math doodle warm-up is this right here, okay? Hold on, sorry, I keep doing the wrong thing. So let me change. Voy a virar. Todo el mundo necesita su folder. Folder. And this is our math doodle warm-up. We're working on Wednesday. Wednesday. If you already have it done, give me a thumbs up. Si usted ya hizo el calentamiento de matemática de hoy, que es el miércoles, por favor, deme el dedo pulgar. ¿Quién ya lo hizo? Ok, so voy a darle 3 minutos para que usted pueda, si usted está en su casa, usted va a poder resolver también este problema en lo que yo lo traduzco, ¿ok? Tradujo. So, who's done? Okay, let's make it easier. Who is not done? Raise your hand if you're not done with it. So, while I translate this, just choose your answer. Go. Okay? So, el 5 dice, which equation is represented in the model? How do I translate that to Spanish? ¿Cuál ecuación es representada en qué? En el modelo. Excelente. Aquí tengo los mejores traductores, mejor que Google Translate, ¿ok? ¿Cómo se traduce esta? Which fraction is not equal to 50 hundredths? Wait. Dígame, Anthony.
¿Cuál fracción
Ajá.
no es correcta?
No es equivalente a 50 centésimas. Okay? All right, so are we ready? Okay, so let's see. What did you, okay, actually, let's do this. Okay, let's do a little bit of moving around. If you chose A, you're going to stand up and come over here on the carpet. Okay? If you chose B, you're going to stand by the door. If you chose C, you're going to stand by Miss Jackson over there. And if you chose D, you're going to come over here. So let's go quickly. Make your choice. So si usted escogió la A, okay, va a pararse en la alfombra. Si usted escogió la B, se va a parar al lado de la puerta. Si escogió la C, va a ir al lado de Miss Jackson y si escogió la D va a venir aquí al lado mío. Okay, I want you to choose what was on your paper. What's on your paper, Brayden? For 5. Don't erase it, just go where you need to go. Perfect. And the answer is A. Un aplauso. Okay, now let me explain it to you because here's what I want to know. Why did you not choose A? Why did you choose D? Let's start with that. Because
both are going to give you the same fraction.
so this right here says 2 plus 2 equals 4/6, right? I have how many filled here? ¿Cuántas hay aquí rellena? 2 what? 2 6, right? ¿Y cuánto hay aquí? 3 6. So this is a problem. This was not shaded. So that was a problem with the copier, okay? So todo el mundo tome asiento para yo explicarle, okay? So in order for me to go from 2 6 to 3 6, what other fraction could I put right here? If you notice the pattern here, you have 2 fractions, right? Right here, and then you have another fraction here. So how can I represent, the first fraction is what? All eyes up here. The first fraction is what? 2 6. So right here in A, I have 1 plus 1 is what? 2 6, right? Then I have, in B, I have how much? 4 6. Could it be B? No. All right? So we already know that by looking at my first fraction, we can start making an elimination, okay? In C, what do I have? I have 4 plus 1 gives me what? 5 6. Is that 2 6? No, so it cannot be C. Then I go here, and I see 2 plus 2 will give me what?
4 6.
Is this 4 6? No. So then I eliminate that. Then the confusing part was here on the right side, right? So what was my fraction here? It was 3 6. So if I were to add this side, it would give me 2 plus 1 is worth what? 3 6. And that's why it is A. Okay? It wouldn't have been B because B said what? 2 6, and we have how many filled here? 3. Here, this could have been the answer had the one on the left been 2 6, but it was what? 5 6. And then here, it was just too much, right? So the answer was A. We put A right here, ponemos A aquí a la derecha y llenamos la burbuja A. ¿Alguien tiene alguna pregunta de cómo obtuvimos esta contestación? Does anyone have any questions? Was this a difficult one? Yes, it was difficult for me. I'm not going to lie to you. I had to consult my coworker and say, hey, is this part shaded? Because I'm confused. So you know what she told me? It's A. And I was like, oh, okay. How do I figure this out? So, but then it's like, I think with math, you just have to try it and you just have to continue trying and you get it. Simple. Honestly, you will, okay? So let's go on to the next one. It's 6, all right? So we see 6. It says, which fraction is not equal to 50 hundredths? ¿Cuál fracción no es equivalente a 50 centésimas? So, entonces, vamos a mirar aquí. ¿Qué es una manera que yo puedo comparar estas fracciones? How can I compare these fractions? How? How can I compare these fractions? ¿Qué hemos estado haciendo? Yes. We can multiply. What other way could we do this? Okay. So here, let's try this real quickly, okay? All right. So this would be 500 and this would be 500. Would these be equal?
Yes.
So we're looking for,
Not equivalent.
excellent. So look, on this side, I would write another box, ¿verdad? And I'm going to do my yes answers, which are going to be 3, and my no answer. Will this be the answer I'm looking for? Will A be the answer I'm looking for? ¿A va a ser la contestación que estoy buscando? No, porque estoy buscando la contestación que no es equivalente. So pongo la A aquí, okay? Todo el mundo, vamos a hacer esto junto. Let's do B. So I do 50 over 100. Again, I'm going to do my butterfly, right? And this is going to be 100 times 1 is what? 100. I'm going to multiply 2 times 50. But guess what? I already know my product is going to have 1 0. So I scratch it out, eliminate it, whatever you want to call it, okay? 2 times 5 is what?
10.
Are these fractions equivalent? Yes, they are. So I write this is going to be a yes answer, okay? All right, let's look at C. Again, let's do the same thing. So I already know that I'm going to have how many zeros here? 2, right? And 5 times 5 is 25. That's going to be 2500. 2025. Y aquí voy a multiplicar 25. Aquí voy a tener 2 ceros. Y multiplico 25 por 1, lo mismo. Are these equivalent? Yes. So this is a yes answer. And now I have 7,500 and 5,000. Now let me explain this to you. This was the long way, right? We did this the long way. Completely the long way. Because had I just looked at my denominator was the same, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right? So my denominator is the same. And then I know that 50 is greater than 75, right? Are they equivalent? No. So 75 is greater than 50 over 100. Therefore, my answer was what? D. Okay? How do we feel about this?
Good.
Good? All right. So let's move on to the next thing. We are moving on to the next thing. Okay? So for this part, we're going to look at the agenda. So I want everybody to stand up. Todo el mundo pararse. And let's play this, okay? Let's.
Way out on the edge of town. It's a little hard.
Hago un bailecito ahí.
Fraction land.
Si baila, le doy $2.
You don't got a bar. You're barred. Welcome to fraction land. I don't laugh. You know me, a simple fraction. I'm one half, but I want to introduce you to my cousin. There is
$2 para mi amigo que está bailando. $2 para mi amigo que está bailando. $2. $2. Say that again? Thank you. Yeah, it always does that. Huh? Yeah. All right. I'm so glad that you guys know this. That's excellent. You guys are my techies. Excuse me.
35 over 6. Let me check. Improper. Now, me, my buddies always looking for kicks. Call them mixed numbers, cause the numbers are mixed. They have a whole number, that's fine. Call them mixed, cause they also have a fraction right beside. 3 and 1/3.
Estrella está ahí stiff, no se mueve. Allison tampoco, no quiere dinero. There you go. Si no sabe qué hacer, haga con las manos. Estrella, vamos. Like this. O vamos a aplaudir. La canción es larga. Vamos, exacto. Vamos, hágalo. Ahí, there you go. That's the spirit. There you go. He's flossing over there. That's good. ¿Qué es una fracción impropia? Que tiene el número denominador es menor que el numerador. Vamos, las manos. Despiértese, vamos, Estrella. Estrella parece que me quiere dar dinero. Maybe algún día. Look at that, my denominator. With a fraction like this. Like this. Like this. ¿Ya? ¿Está en calorcito? Ya me está dando calor a mí. All right, guys. Okay. So now really quickly, we're going to play this game. Okay? We're going to play it together. Okay? So let's look at the vocabulary words really quickly. Vamos a mirar las palabras del vocabulario. ¿Cuál es el cognado de esta palabra? Estamos hablando cognado, denominador. Muy bien. What's the denominator? Of a what? Of a fraction. ¿Ok? ¿Y esto qué es? El cognado. Dividir en inglés. ¿Y esto qué es? ¿Y en español? ¿Y esto qué es? Y en español. ¿Por qué es una fracción impropia? Ah, denominador. Que el numerador, excelente. All right, ¿y qué es este? ¿Y cómo en español? Mixto, número mixto. ¿Por qué es un número mixto? Porque tiene ¿qué? Espérate, uno a la vez, de la cruz. It has a whole number and it has a fraction. Ok, ¿qué estamos aquí? ¿Qué es esto? ¿Y en español? Okay, and you know that multiplication is repetitive addition. So it shows you 4 times 3 equals 12, but it also shows you 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. So lo que estamos diciendo es que la multiplicación es suma repetitiva. So 4 por 3 es lo mismo que 4 más 4 más 4. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Cómo se llama el número de arriba? ¿Ok? ¿Y qué es esto? ¿Y qué es? El restante, ¿verdad? So, ¿en qué tipo de problema vemos un restante? Suma, resta, multiplicar o división. División. División, gracias. ¿Ok? ¿Y qué es este número? ¿Y en español? Número entero. ¿Quién dijo eso? Excellent, sir. Perfecto. All right, so let's play the game real quickly. So está en su grupo, ¿verdad? All right, so why don't we do this? No, we won't do it like that. I was going to do boys against girls, but no. No. No, it's okay. No, it's fine. All right, come on, let's get started because then we won't have time. All right, rapidito. So we're going to, somebody from this group right here, drag the right word to its definition. The bottom number in a fraction, which shows the number of parts the whole has been divided to. El número en una fracción que muestra las partes completas en el cual la división, el problema se ha dividido. All right, come on, Martín. No, you come over here and you do it. It says drag the right word to its definition. Ustedes escojan quién va a venir y ustedes escojan quién va a venir. Go ahead, drag it. ¿Pero por qué no? Ok, un punto para este equipo, un abrazo. Ok, aquí en el grupo, vamos, ¿quién va a venir? Venga, Estrella, Estrella, vamos. It says, what is this? What type of signal is this? Or not signal, what type of sign? What type of what did you say? Symbol. Yes, there you go. What type of symbol? Un grupo para ese grupo, un punto. Okay, this group who's coming, Anthony. 9 split into 4 groups is 2 with a 9 dividido en 4 grupos es 2 con un blanco de 1. 9 split into 4 groups. Go talk to your group and see what you want to answer. 9 split into 4 groups is 2 with a blank of 1. So then tell him. Quickly, vamos. Escoja uno. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Escoja. ¿Cuál es la contestación? Excellent. All right, let's go. And that is correct. Un punto para este grupo. All right, come on. Somebody else, come on. De este grupo, let's go. Drag over the word that goes best with the image. Excellent. All right, come on. Alguien de allá que no haya ido todavía. Drag the right word to the word that means the opposite. What is the opposite of multiplication? ¿Cuál es lo opuesto de multiplicación? Infracción impropia, numerador o división. Les toca a ellos. Vamos, escoge uno. ¿Qué es lo opuesto de multiplicación? ¿Qué es lo opuesto de multiplicación, amigo? Is that correct? Try it. He's saying it's improper fraction. So you guys lose a point. All right. 20. Oh, ya lo dijo. So the opposite was division, amigo. Tú sabes que cuando estamos haciendo un problema de multiplicación, si estamos haciendo un problema de división, lo podemos verificar multiplicando. So eso es lo opuesto. ¿Qué es lo opuesto de la suma? Resta, all right? So the same way that in addition, the opposite is subtraction, the opposite of multiplication is division, because you can check the problem if you divide a multiplication problem the same way that you can check addition or subtraction by doing the opposite, okay? Este grupo, the number that is left over when one number does not divide into another exactly. The number that is left over when one number does not divide into another exactly. El número sobrante cuando un número no se divide exactamente en otro. Numerator, remainder o whole number. Vamos, rapidito. Haz lo que tú piensas, vamos. All right, so she's saying this one. And that is incorrect. The right answer was what? Remainder. So you guys lose a point. So right now, the blank, 2/4. Okay, so have a seat. Now we're gonna do this. The first group to get the answer, you're gonna raise your hand. One person will raise their hand. One person will raise their hand. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. I haven't even read it. The blank 2/4 shows that the whole is divided into 4 equal parts, and we're talking about 2 of them. El blanco 2/4 muestra el completo dividido en 4 partes y estamos hablando de ambos. Yes. Él dice la fracción. ¿Qué ustedes dicen? ¿Y qué ustedes dicen? Fraction. Correcto, ¿ok? All right. The top number in a fraction, allá les va a tocar a ustedes. The top number in a fraction, which shows the number of parts of the whole taken. La parte de arriba de una fracción que muestra el completo de lo que se tomó. What do you guys decide? Quickly, yes. The numerator. Vamos a ver si está correcto. Yes, you get a point back, right? ¿Cuál es este número indicado aquí abajo? Brayden. Denominator, numerator, or improper fraction? Do you think he's correct? And that is correct. All right, hey, guys. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to continue on, okay? And then you're going to go now. You're going to go log in, and you're going to do study jams, okay? So everybody log in. Give me thumbs up, and you're going to go into study jams. Study jams is right here. The link is right here, and you are going to do study jams. Todo el mundo va a entrar y va a hacer study jams. Let's go. And I'm going to give you a 5-minute timer to do study jams, which is this right here. Usted va a entrar y le voy a dar 3 minutos para que usted haga study jams, ¿ok? Va a entrar en la semana 18 y va a entrar y va a hacer esto, rapidito. I'm going to give you 5 minutes for this. 5 minutes. Todo el mundo give me thumbs up when you are ready. Oh my God. Okay, let me know if you're ready. Are we ready? Yes, that's study jams. You have to follow the link that's on Wednesday on my Bitmoji classroom. Una persona que se asegure de cada mesa que todo el mundo esté en el lugar correcto, porque el screen de Rachel no se ve igual que el de resto. Make sure you are on Wednesday. Asegúrese estar en el miércoles, okay? Okay, give me thumbs up if you're ready. You don't need headphones, sir. Well, actually, you do. Go ahead and get headphones. Get headphones. Everybody, yes, you need headphones. Go ahead quickly, get headphones. If you have your own, you're more than welcome to use your own. All right, quickly. You're just going to work on that for 5 minutes. Everybody has headphones? Yes or no? Plug them in. I need to see you ready with headphones in your ears and giving me a thumbs up. Yes, sir. It's got to plug in on the side. All right, headphones, Brayden, let's go. Are we ready? 1, 2, and 3. You're working on study jams. When the timer goes off, we're going to do something different. Let's go. Hold on real quickly. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys continue doing study jams, but for the purpose of having to sanitize our room, I'm going to let you guys finish. So, si usted está en línea, usted va a trabajar el currículo que está para Envision, y eso es lo que me va a entregar ya que usted no tiene este folder en su casa, ¿ok? So, hasta aquí llegó entonces la grabación de este video. Gracias.